Hi, welcome back to my YouTube. No, that's not my opening, but anyway, back at it again with the back at it. Doing some box braids. Yeah, I'm doing all black. I'm not doing any color. I was going to put some blonde strips in, but I changed my mind, as always. This is the back so far. I started parting. So, yeah, that's what it is. What's it gonna be? Come back with it with another one. Ow! I'm just kidding. But, I'm going to part. I'm doing the rubber band method at that. So, this is the length I'm doing. I'm doing 28 inches. So it's basically down my back. 28. I got the color number 2. Alright, I'm back. I'm back up. I'm back, y'all. I did one braid. I'm sorry, y'all. Don't beat me up, but I just, I had to go ahead and do it. But this is the parts I did. I don't know if I can see. When I got to the front, this is what I did to the front. Okay, I was supposed to, I guess whenever you do this part, I don't know what I was doing when I was parting this, but I parted like this. And then when I started parting it, I was like, that's too much hair. Because if I had went back, it would have been a long piece. And I don't like it looking like that. So I just went on ahead and just separated these three. So whenever I do my braids, this gonna always be there. But it's nothing. But either way, I'm still gonna be able to do this. I can go as far as I want to go with the part of my hair going over or going over that way. Very flexible. So I'm gonna put this in the ponytail and get started. I guess I'll let you watch the braid down for the first two, and then I'll come back in between each one so y'all can see my progress and how far I got. But I like each one I have done. I mean, like each one I'm gonna do is gonna be 3 in each one. So I'm pretty sure I got enough hair for all of this that I got in my head. So I should be fine. But I separated 3 in each bundle. So yeah, they all the same size, so I won't have to worry too much about how the braid's gonna look. But first, I put some jam. That much. I'm not meaning to flick y'all off. I'm not flicking y'all off, okay? But this is how much I put on there. I'm putting my hand like this because the other way is offensive. But that's how much I put on there from here. This is the only part I'm probably gonna use because I had flat ironed my hair and went to work.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. It took me a minute because I had to go cook. But this is as much as I got done. I said I was coming back and I was halfway done. So I'm halfway done. This is the bag.
Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in.
See. Anyway, yeah, this is as much as I got done. Hope y'all like it so far. But this is as much as I got done. Let me see. I just got the front. It's probably about this count. 1, 2. But yeah, this is my 3 little braids. Well, they're not little, but they're something. Yeah. 13. Probably still can't see. 13, 14. Yep, it's my 3 braids. I'll be back when I get probably to halfway mark. And I'll come back. It looks super weird. But this is all I have left.
Open up. Open you up like
but this is all I have left. And I guess I'll come back again. I don't know if I should be leaving y'all like this. I mean, it's kind of rude.
Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like Macintosh. Open up, open up. Open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
Oh, I'm back. I'm about to dip my hair. Yes, it's in the ponytail. Anyway, I'm about to put this
Trying to put your heart together, found it
It's about to
broken
get real in here.
Going up and smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the
I
house.
put
The way she's approaching us.
I put my water in the pan oppositely to boil it.
She said that she the lonely young, and it's hard to open up. Open up, tell you I fuck, let your emotion fall on me. Open up, open up, open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tell you I fuck, let your emotion fall on me. Open up, open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
Or no.
Take that.
Let me see if I can fix the camera.
You OPN.
Okay.
Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends.
How long it is?
Engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that, I wrote it, I been. Open up, shut it down like a match.
It's quite heavy right now since I just did the water. It's gonna look.